Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to adjust the text size in the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to launch the Samsung Internet app. Then from here you want to tap on the three vertical lines in the top right corner. Next you want to tap on text size. Then you can see the slider. So currently my text size is set to 100, but if I want to increase it, I can slide towards the right, and you can see the changes being applied onto the screen. So when I set my preferred text size, I can tap on OK. Then when I scroll down, I can see the size has increased. Now this feature is incredibly useful, especially if you find that the text is small and you don't want to go all the way to the settings app just to adjust the size of the text for that singular page. So you can come, just tap on the three lines, select text size, and use the slider to adjust it to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.